Hey, my beautiful souls, welcome back to Finding with Jessie, the life coach. So, today we are going to be discussing anxiety and stress. Anxiety symptoms can be cognitive, physical, or behavioral. Anxiety literally affects our whole entire nervous system, all the way from our musculoskeletal system to our respiratory system to our cardiovascular system to our gastrointestinal system to our endocrine system. Like, everything gets affected. Now, when we speak of therapy for said issue, there are a few options, but one of my favorites is applied relaxation, and these are techniques that you can do at home. The whole point of applied relaxation is to make sure that you're receiving benefits from using relaxation techniques. And today I'm going to be sharing a few. I'm going to be sharing a few of my favorite products and applied relaxation techniques that help with improving concentration and mood, reduces muscle tension and chronic pain, slows down breathing rate, slowing down heart rate, and reduces stress hormones. Making a conscious effort to practice applied relaxation could be a game changer for most people. So first up, and one of my very favorite items is my Renpho eye massager. Now this is a game changer if you suffer from headaches, if you work at a computer all day, if you suffer from hormonal headaches, tension headaches, migraines. This is going to be for you. Our eyes are one of those areas that we don't show much love to, but eye strain is a real big deal. So now this massager actually has a few modes. It's compatible with music, and it actually is Bluetooth compatible. In the back, it has an adjustable strap, which is great, so you can share it with others, and it's very comfortable to use. And in the inside, it's layered with this like soft, pliable, it feels like leather. It could be like fox leather or vegan leather. I'm not sure about that, but all I know is that it's super comfortable. It's chargeable by USB, so that's the USB port. It's foldable, so you can actually travel with it, which is a great feature to have. It is wireless, it doesn't need to be plugged in, and then it comes with a few components. So it actually has its own remote control, because when you're using it, it's hard to navigate the menu. So this is a display of what it sounds like, and I'm going to let you have an opportunity to see how the massager looks. So as mentioned, it has a few modes, and it also has a few combinations of how it massages. It offers air compression for pressure. It actually has a vibration massage. It has heat, and you can, higher it to different levels. So music therapy is an applied relaxation technique that most therapists will recommend when you suffer from anxiety and stress. This is actually embedded, this technique is embedded into the eye massager because it has pre-programmed music already in there. I personally like to listen to piano, but you could literally just connect it to your phone. It is Bluetooth capable, and you could listen to whatever music preference you desire. So I love that feature. It also comes with its own little carry bag, so it's great for traveling, road trips, plane trips, business trips. It's a great investment. Now, with keeping in line with the theme of massagers, my next item is going to be this shiatsu massager, and this one is specifically made for your neck and back and shoulder area. Now, I love this massager. Underneath, it has circular kneading massagers, and then it has like this space in the middle that is perfect for the indentation of your neck. It actually has this flap, which is like a microfiber, so it's nice and comfortable, and on the side it has the power button and has different modes of massage and different levels of intensity. Now, people don't realize, but we carry a lot of our weight on our shoulders and our neck area. If the tension is not released, it could shoot up to your jaw, and that starts causing those headaches. So investing in a good massager is a good idea. If you suffer from cramps and things of that area, you can use it on your pelvic area as well. It's great because it's portable, it's lightweight, it's compact, it's versatile. It offers heat and vibration, and it's just designed to loose any tightened muscles and tension and just soothe it. A great massager is going to relieve stress by getting proper blood flowing to sore muscles and relieving that tension. Repetitive stress attacks on the back can lead to musculoskeletal issues over time, so it's so important to make sure you are managing your stress and relieving any tension built up. Our lower back is one of those areas that take on a lot of stress. The pain from the back can affect our face, our jaw, our neck, our shoulders, our arms, which is why it's a good idea to invest in a massager that's versatile. You can use it for your arms, you can use it to massage your hands. It has so many different ways of using it. So if you suffer from anxiety and stress, investing in a good massager is a great idea. So let's talk steamers. Majority of the time when we discuss facial steamers, we're thinking about detoxing our face. We're thinking about purism and impurities. But steamers have a calming amenity to it, and that's why they're offered as spas. By one steam session, it can help increase endorphins, which is a hormone associated with improving mood, and it also decreases cortisol, which is the main culprit in stress-related issues. What's great about this specific product from Vanity Planet is that it also works in conjunction with aromatherapy, which is essential oils. Aromatherapy and getting yourself a good essential oils kit is another applied relaxation technique that you can implement into your regime, especially lavender. If you don't know much about essential oils such as lavender, lemon, and peppermint help to alter brainwaves and reduce stress. So I just put a few drops of lavender into my steamer, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Now you have to remember that when we suffer from stress and anxiety, it affects our respiratory system. So just calming down, breathing in and out can do wonders. This is something I do almost every other day. It's my form of meditation, getting grounded and centered for the morning. Now something else you can do right at home is to start replacing your coffee with some herbal tea that is caffeine free. If you do not have a tea kettle, I would definitely suggest investing in an electric one. So even when you lose power, you can use it and fire it up with a portable battery. Now, tea has been scientifically proven to soothe and ease stress and anxiety. And majority of the time when we are stressed and we feel super anxious, we are also dehydrated. So hydrating yourself, calming yourself down, learning how to parent yourself is going to be beneficial for you. Now, if you're not a big fan of tea because you don't like the taste, it tastes like nothing, it's good to implement some honey inside your tea just to sweeten it up a bit. When you're stressed, you want to make sure you're staying away from anything that has caffeine in it. So you want to limit any type of alcohol, sugar, and anything that is going to actually escalate the stress hormone, right? Caramel, mint, and peppermint teas are great because they also soothe nausea and upset stomach, which you might get when you feel anxious. That with a combination of some warm water will help out. The next thing I would suggest is investing in a weighted blanket. Weighted blankets are any blankets that weighs anywhere from 5 to 30 pounds. And the way that it works is the weight of the blanket helps soothe your heart rate. Many weighted blankets are filled with tiny plastic pellets that help with the weight. This one here does not. It is super heavy and it has words of positivity. I love this one. When I'm in it, I feel so comforted, so warm. I feel so calm. I feel like I'm swaddled like, a young child. Weighted blankets have been used for like sleep disorders, people who suffer from autism, ADHD, so it has a lot of benefits. So next up is a vibration plate. If you never heard of a vibration plate or not sure how it works, it basically works by stimulating muscles, forcing them to contract and then relax. It's an alternative to running and jogging. You could do it right from your home. As you can see, it has the labels here. And the way it works is you stand on it and it vibrates. Now, vibration plates offer many benefits, and some of them are lowering your blood pressure, relieving back pain, helping with circulation. It breaks up and removes toxins from the body that are believed to create anxiety within. So it has different levels, it has different programs, it has different time frames. It comes equipped with some armbands, so you can also work out your arms at the same time. It's from a company called Rock Solid, and it's just a nice little device that you can do a workout right from your home if you're not into you like weightlifting and things of that sort, but you still want to get an exercise and you don't want it to be too extreme, or you're a little bit on the older side. This is going to be a great benefit for you. The massage effects of the vibrator initiates and increases neurotransmitters such as dopamine, and that automatically decreases anxiety and depression and decreases stress hormones like cortisol. So my last suggestion is all about scent. Guys, when you're feeling stress and anxiety, just take some time out, take a break, light some nice candles with some positive words, and just relax. There's a lot of holistic and therapeutic qualities to the items that I've mentioned, but they are extremely beneficial. You want to optimize your dopamine levels. When those levels are heightened, your memory is going to improve. You're going to be able to regulate pain better. Problem solving abilities are going to be heightened. You're going to be able to focus better and keep your attention grounded. Implementing applied relaxation techniques is a skill, and as any skill, it has to be applied and practiced and requires patience and effort. So guys, that's all I have for you today. If you liked the video, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you want to learn more about coping with anxiety and stress and things I recommend, definitely let me know in the comments so I can share more videos of the such. I have way more products in my arsenal that I can definitely share, and I will see you in my next one. Stay healthy, stress-free, and love and light to you all.